I'm in the courtyard of the house I grew up in. It has a special meaning to me. My grandpa used to take care of the garden and it always has looked beautiful. Now that's my job. I filmed this video and have a lot of representations in it. The gnome represents my grandpa. He had a big bushy beard and was always happy. The gardening tools represent the good times we had planting flowers. The mirror represents what I see of him in me. And the red light is where it all gets scary. It's the emergency that happened here, and it's when we lost him. That ties into the dead roses. They represent that he's gone now, and it's up to me to take care of this place.